and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase a battle pass on Valorant. So make sure you have kind of top up your Valorant points by using these methods. I'm in Indonesia, so those are my options. And once you're done, you're just going to go to Battle Pass. So the battle pass costs 1,000 Valorant points, and you do have to open the passes by playing the game. So your XPs will open up the battle pass, so you can play and rate it as much as you want, and it's going to open up your battle pass. I have it opened up to tier 34. So I'm just going to select this, and I'm just going to select this again, reverse the process, and that's it. And you can just equip the skin later on, and the buddies and stuff. If I go to my collection, I can change the buddy. For instance, on, let's see, which one do I want the buddy on? The Vandal, for instance. Go to buddies, and the buddy I purchased will be there. So I'm just going to select owned, and it should be somewhere. It should be somewhere here. There's just a lot, so it's hard for me to find it. Oh, there you go. This is the buddy that I got, this one and that one. I really like this buddy. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!